this is Tina with You Made That. Thanks for watching. Today we're going to make a Christmas book card. For lack of a better word, I think it's called a book card. That's what I'm calling it today. So here's how I made it. First of all, this is just a side folding card base. I use Neenah 110-pound cardstock. And it's a regular, 4 1/4 by 5 1/2 inch card, but it has this score line right here. So when you're scoring on your scoreboard, you're going to score at 5 1/2 and then again at 6 3/4. And this is what gives us this book card form or shape or whatever. So we're going to fold this score line away from the middle of the card so that it's like that. Then we glue that down. Now, I have seen some people will take ribbon and they'll put some ribbon, wrap it around, and then put a little bow right here, and then this end of the ribbon is glued down. So that's super cute. I tend to not put knots on my cards because sometimes they pop through the envelope or require different postage if they feel a knot in the envelope. So I tend to not do ribbons and bows on my cards, especially, well, if I'm going to mail them. I just tend to not do that. But it's totally cute with this book design. All right, so we're going to let that sit aside. Now we're going to make the bird. This is from a Stampin' Up punch, and it punches all these pieces of the bird. It also has a coordinating stamp that goes with it, and they are so fun to make. I love this bundle. I'm not sure if it's still available. It might be. So I punched a bunch of birds out of white cardstock and then out of this different color pattern paper. I think it's PhotoPlay. Yes, this is the papers that I used. PhotoPlay. Let's see. I have it right here. Tula and Norbert's Christmas Party by Becky Moore. PhotoPlay. Bright and vibrant patterns. Super fun. And like I showed you, see on the back, there's the other side. But I want my bird to face the right, so gluing him on this white cardstock, gluing all the pieces on, will just give him a little more stability. This one, this is his wing, and you could actually use either side. Let's see. Same with all of these, they're double-sided. Wow! But I will use the green. So I think for his wing, I'm going to have the red side up, because that'll pop on the green. And then here's his tummy. Only one side will do because of the way it's facing. So I'll glue that on the white. Now I'm going to put them all together. Now I will glue the beak onto the white part. I grabbed the Sweet Songbird stamp set and the punch that goes with it. But you can use this without this, and you can use this without this. But it's a great bundle, so lots of fun. Here is the wing. We don't want to glue this part of the wing because it's away from the background, so only the little thick part. And then these eyes came in a set of lots of sizes of, you know, these kinds of things. They're just flat on the bottom, and I got them on Amazon. A friend told me about them, and they have really come in handy for card making. We'll set the bird aside to dry. And now let's begin. So this piece will go here. This one will go here. This will go there. There's a little bit at the bottom, and then the tree border will fit on top. These dimensionals will be used to pop the bird up a little bit. So let's start with the left side. I cut this to match the bird's body, just like with this one. I could use the presents on the back, but I'm gonna match the bird's body just to kind of bring the whole thing together, make it cohesive. And there is a white border all around. Just eyeballing that. Then this glittery stripe matches the trees. I could put it on this side, I could put it in the middle, but I like it on the left. Just lining up the left edge and the top edges. I love this glittery cardstock. It's Lawn Fawn Pixie Dust, and I use it all the time. I could put this really bright one on there. No, that's a little bright for me. But I like the green. Again, got a little white border all the way around. I am gobbing glue everywhere. Okay, this one says ho ho ho. Now if I had it upside down, it'd say oh oh oh. So I don't want to do that. Could have the little cars and trucks, but I like the ho ho ho. It's subtle and nice. Gives it a pop of red. And the tree is from a Stampin' Up punch that actually punches a whole tree border across. It's a lot of fun to use. In fact, I made a short video punching these tree borders out. So I've got to trim the edges a little bit because it's longer than it than it needs to be. I don't know if Stampin' Up still has, it might be retired, the punch. But if you have it in your stash, it's a good one. There we go. Now for the final touch. I'm going to pop that bird up. With these dimensionals, I think these are Stampin' Up dimensionals. You can always use the outsides too. You don't have to just use the hexagon. You can cut the outside edges. Why not use those too? Nothing goes to waste. I like the Dollar Tree dimensionals too. They work really well. But these release papers come off real easy. We are almost done. I got my little glue blob. I'm going to cover that up. This glue dries clear, but I don't know. I still see a blob. Ta-da! there's my book card, and it's super cute. It can be Christmas, it can be winter. I could just write hello on the inside. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't yet. It helps my channel and helps me. Please like the video, share it, comment, and again, thank you for watching. Bye.